Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new strategy for you guys today. It's so impressive and it yields me a 94% accuracy. So that is so great. Um I will share some secret tips and tricks with you guys during the video. So hope you guys enjoy this video because it's a lot of information that I'm going to unpack as usual. So stay tuned. My first trade. So basically guys, with this strategy, what we are looking for is times when the CCI has crossed into the blue zone and awesome oscillator also give us a red candle. So that's when we're looking to enter. Okay, for the Bollinger Bands, it's showing me the tendency of the market. Okay, and based on what it shows me, I can see that this is a good trade. And as I said before, I have a secret tip about this indicator combination. If you guys stay true to the entire video, you will learn the secret tip of how to increase your win rate even more. And I only do this for my loyal viewers. This is an awesome opportunity right here. As you see, all indicators are telling me the same thing at the same time. And this is how you can have a good win rate, because guys, in trading, you cannot rely on one indicator. Just never do that. That's a recipe for disaster. Never you ever rely on one indicator. Always try to find another indicator, at least three, minimum three, right? Always try to find indicators that complements each other. So you don't want to find an indicator which is going to tell you up while one is saying down. You want them to complement each other, but at the same time you want them to be different, like one to be momentum, one to be entry, and stuff like that. I'm going to explain this furthermore on the next trade. Stay tuned. Yes, so back to what I was saying, right? You need the indicators to complement each other. Okay? For instance, a lot of people uses the down-chain channel in a wrong way, right? What down-chain channel does, it shows you guys the momentum, the strength of the price, whether we're in a range, whether we're in a trend. It shows you. If you pay attention good, the down-chain channel tells you everything about the market condition. Okay? Then the CCI shows me when to enter, and the awesome oscillator shows me the momentum that is strong. So when I combine these together, I get a proper win rate, and this trade is going to be a win. And I will finish my statement on the next trade. Stay tuned. For this strategy, we are going to use awesome oscillator, okay? And we're going to change the settings right here, 4, and this one to 33. Okay, the colors, you don't have to change the colors, you could keep the colors as it is. Okay, for the next indicator, it's gonna be unchained channel. I love this indicator so much. The settings for unchained channel is going to be 19. For the style, I'm going to choose my style. You guys could choose whatever you want. I'm just choosing what suits me. Okay, I'm going to keep that the same. For the middle, I'm going to put it white. again, guys, for the colors, it's basically preference, it's not a difference in accuracy. Our next indicator is going to be CCI, right? And the settings is 15. The style is light blue, okay? And I'm going to thicken the middle line because I want to see it very clearly. Okay, so guys, these are the settings for today's indicators. I hope you guys practice with this strategy and see success in it. Alright everyone, so this will be our next trade right here. Yes, so what I was saying about the indicators is that you always want to combine everything that you know about the market. Just do not rely on one thing. It's not going to give you a good result. No matter how hard you try, it will just never happen. You have to combine every knowledge you know about trading in one trade every time. And that's how you keep a steady win rate. Think about it. You don't want to trade at a 60% level and expect a 80% accuracy. That's just, to be honest, that's just a little bit ridiculous. So try to always trade at the highest level possible for every single trade. Try to do your best, and that way you will have a steady win rate. I will explain to you guys in the next trade about the secret tip that I save for my loyal viewers. Alright guys, this is another one. Beautiful. So guys, listen up, right? The secret to this trading strategy is whenever the candles reach to the top of the down chain channel and then rejects off it and give us a pattern, plus the oscillator is telling me red, which is a strong signal. Then we have the CCI coming from a oversold area, showing me that the market was oversold and sellers are ready to step in. Whenever you see all these criteria met, then and only then you enter a trade if you want the highest win rate, right? So yeah, it's all about combinations, and it's all about trying to take the best trades as possible every time with your combinations.